Here's something truly amazing we discovered. These guys don't just teach you, they transform you. Whether you're a fresh graduate, switching careers, or an experienced professional looking to upskill, this program is for you. They'll train you in the most in-demand technologies like multi-cloud, GenAI, big data and cloud migrations. With a dedicated mentor, you'll work on real-world projects that make you market-ready. They'll also help you craft a standout resume, polish your online presence, and handle all the paperwork to secure a job you love. And here's the best part, their support doesn't stop once you're hired. For 3 months, they'll guide you through your probation, making sure you succeed. Want more? They offer NASCOM, Cloudera, and AWS certifications at an extra cost to give you an edge. And you'll join a growing community of innovators working in futuristic technologies. With 4,000 plus success stories, and counting, their results speak for themselves. Don't take our word for it, check out the testimonials at cloudage.global. Imagine a world where your dreams are within reach with just a 50% investment up front. With this unique opportunity, you have the chance to prove yourself and only pay the remaining balance once you've secured your dream job. It's a leap of faith that shows their unwavering belief in your potential. Who does that anymore? This is your chance to transform your career. Sign up for the program now and take the first step toward your future.